Hello there. I'm going to be teaching you how to make an electromagnet today. It's a simple experiment that turns electricity into magnetism and can be used to move around simple metal objects such as staples. The materials that you need for this experiment are a battery, some copper coil, a screw, and some staples. The first step in making an electromagnet would be to take a winding of copper coil. I got this from one of those the world's simplest motor kits, and the battery to it ran out, so I decided that I didn't need it anymore. So I'm using it for this project. You know, there's always different scrap materials from old things that you can use for other things, such as like a magnetron from a microwave. Anyway, you get the idea. I'll untangle this better. An electromagnet is to take the copper wire that you've unwound and wrap it around the nail that you're using for this. Or, well, actually, you probably want to use a screw rather than a nail so that you have grooves to wrap the coil into. So just take that whole wire and just wrap it around. You want to form a robust and strong structure on which the wire is wrapped around. I know that transformers work like this, where they have a series of wires winded around in a series of times to amplify voltage or amperage. And this is what you should look like after winding up something like that. Give you multiple perspectives on it. Okay, so you got these group of staples here that are likely black together, and then if that's the case, well then you just gotta break them apart until you get single pieces. Or you could keep them as whole and then just use the electromagnet to attract them together, and you could pretty much use any type of steel object. Alright, so to complete the electromagnet, what you do is you just take one end of the wire, you attach it to the positive end, and then take the other end of the wire and attach it to the negative end, and it'll complete the circuit. And the battery might get a little hot because electricity is flowing, and then you got your magnet. It's a nice, no contraption. I got my tentacles here.